Back up with Chef Pete and Bonz on this blessed Friday morning, family. Uh, the chef is up early working on a strategy for the centerpiece for a banquet function this morning. And we are getting it in early this morning. I'm creating a centerpiece for Project West all-white event, and they wanted a fruit centerpiece, so this is where I'm at with this family. This is a prototype here, and I think what I'm gonna do is highlight this bad baby. Okay, because you already know, you rolling with our coolest chef and all that. Boom!